Hello everyone. Today we are going to do in Maths 1 statistics. In statistics, you have already learned mean by direct method. I am going to show you mean by using assume mean method. Let me take an example. I have a class and frequency. Class from 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10. 3, 5, 8 and 4 are the frequencies given. In order to find out assume mean method, we need to have a tabular column. In this tabular column, you see the first is class, which is already given. The second column is xi, is class mark. The next one is di, deviation. The next one is frequency, which is already given in the question. And the last column is frequency into deviation. Once you get xi, di, then we have to find out frequency into deviation. So let us find out what is the class mark of this particular given class, that is 2 to 4. You have learned in the mean method how to find out the class mark. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2 gives you the class mark. So 4 plus 2 is equals to 6 divided by 2 will gives me 3. 4 plus 6 divided by 2. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6 plus 8, 14 divided by 2 gives me 7. 8, 10 plus 8 is equals to 18 divided by 2 gives me 9. So my class marks are 3, 5, 7, 9. Now I have to find out di. Di is equals to xi minus a. What is a? A is assume mean. From the given classes, class mark, that is we just got the class mark, you can assume any one of the class mark as assume mean. For my convenience, I am considering 7 as the assume mean, and therefore I can subtract it. So 3 minus 7 is equals to, let me write this, here it will be 7. 3 minus 7 is equals to minus 4. 5 minus 7 is equals to minus 2. 7 minus 7 is equals to 0. 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. So your column xi and di is complete. Now the last column we have to find out, that is fi into di. This is your fi and this is your di. When you multiply this, you get the answer fi into di. 4 3s are 12, but if there is a negative sign is there, so it will be negative 12. 5 2s are 10, negative 10. 8 into 0, 0. 2 into 4, 4 2s is 8. So now all your columns are ready. Your class mark, your di, your frequency, and the last column is frequency into deviation. Now we have to do the sum of this frequency, that is fi. 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4, all we have to add up. 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4 is equals to 20. We also have to sum up, that is sum of fi into di. Minus 12 minus 10 is equals to minus 22. Minus 22 plus 8 is equals to minus 14. You got sum of fi into di. Both the values you got it. Now you have to substitute this in a given formula so that you can get d bar. D bar is equals to summation of fi into di upon summation of fi. D bar is equals to summation of fi into di upon summation of fi. Now d bar, we have to just substitute the value, that is negative 14 upon 20. When you subtract it, when you divide it, 2 7s are 14, 2 10s are. So your answer is minus 7 upon 10. Therefore, the answer is minus 0.7. Now you got the formula. X bar is equals to A plus D bar. A is the assumed mean, what we have assumed over here. This is your A. And your D bar is negative 0.7. So substituting the value, 7 plus minus 0.7, as it is in the negative, so you have to put it in the bracket. So 7 plus into minus will be minus 0.7. The answer will be 6.3. Therefore, mean is equals to 6.3. Let me take another example. The class and frequency is been given. 0 to 2, the frequency is 3. 2 to 4, frequency is 5. 4 to 6, frequency is 10. 6 to 8, frequency is 8. And between 8 to 10, frequency is 4. I've already prepared the tabular column. Class, frequency, di, frequency, class, di, frequency, and fi into di. I have to find out the class mark. This is class and this is the class mark. Between 0 to the upper limit plus lower limit. 2 plus 0 divided by 2 is 1. 4 plus 2, 6 divided by 2, 3. It is also, we can say that it is a mid values. So 4, what is the mid value between 4 and 6? 5. This is 7 and this is 9. I got the class mark. Now I have to find out di. For di, I have to consider one of the class mark as assumed mean. I am considering 5 as assumed mean. So therefore, it will be 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. 3 minus 2 minus 5 is equals to minus 2. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. And 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. You got your di and fi. Now we have to multiply these two. Di multiplied by fi, that is fi into di. 4 3s are minus 12. 2 5s are minus 10. 0 into 10, that is equals to 0. 2 8s are 16. 4 4s are 16. I got the value of fi. I got the value of fi into di. Now I have to do the sum of fi. That is, you have to add 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 8 plus 4 is equals to 30. Now we have to do with fi into di. Negative 12 and negative 10, that is equals to minus 22. This is 0. 16 plus 16 is equals to 32. So minus 22 plus 32. So your Fi into di is equals to 10. So you got the value of summation of Fi into di. Now you have to find d bar. D bar is equals to summation of Fi into di upon summation of Fi. What is the value of Fi into di? Fi into di is equals to 10. And what is the summation of Fi? That is equals to 30. So this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. So answer is 1 upon 3. And when you divide it, you get it in the recurring form. That is 0.33. So thus, therefore, d bar, you can write it as 0. Recurring 3. Either you can put a dot or you can put a bar, that is dash. Now we have to find x bar. X bar is equals to a plus d bar. Your a is, we have considered 5 plus 0.3. So the answer is equals to 5.3. Recurring is the answer. Therefore, mean is equals to 5.3 recurring. Hope you have understood this sums, both the sums. Now, in your textbook, similar sums have been given. You can practice it and then you can learn it. Step deviation will be taught in the next session. Thank you.